Hi all, welcome to An Emergent Life. My name is Safna and I'm from Malpuram. As a vlogger, this is a new beginning for me, so stay tuned and do support me for the further videos. So I'm beginning here with a biryani recipe. Let's go through it. Now here I've taken 2 kgs of buffalo meat and cutting it into quite large pieces. Wash the beef well and place it into a cooker. And then goes 1 tablespoon of rock salt, half tablespoon of black pepper powder, again half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Now let's cook for 15 to 20 minutes or 5 to 6 whistles. Now here I've taken 3 to 4 whole garlic, 2 large pieces of ginger, 10 to 12 green chilies, and then crush it all together using a blender. It's done over here. Since I am making 2 kg in quantity, I am using here 10 to 15 large onions and chopping it finely. Also cutting 5 to 6 medium sized tomatoes. Now let's make ghee rice for the biryani. Adding few onion to refined oil and salt it well. Here I have taken bay leaf, cloves, cardamom and cinnamon stick. Add and mix well. Here I am adding water in the ratio 1:2. That's for 1 cup of rice, 2 cup of water is required here. Add salt as per needed. Let it boil well. Now here I have taken kaima rice. I always prefer this rice. Wash and drain the rice. When the water boils, add the rice slowly. Here for frying onions, I am using ghee. It's almost done here. Let's take it out. Here you can also add cashews and raisins. My kids won't like it, so I've just skipped it. Here for the masala, I'm using the leftover ghee used for frying onions, but that will be not enough, so add 2 more tablespoons of ghee. And then add crushed ginger, garlic and green chilies. Saute it until the raw smell goes and then add the onions. Mix well until the onions become translucent. Meanwhile, I've checked the rice. The water was perfect and yet I haven't added any ghee. I'm adding it now. I'm so sorry, because of the smoke camera got dim. Mix it and let it cook for some more time. Add half teaspoon of salt and then goes 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of fennel powder and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Since I have already added turmeric and pepper in the beef, I am not adding it here. In case if needed, you can add it at the last. Now add tomatoes and mix it well. And then goes a handful of coriander and pudina leaves. That's good, I'm adding. After mixing, let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and then cooked beef is added. Again, until the beef is coated with the masala, let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Now here I am adding fried onions to the masala. This gives a special taste for biryani. Now before dum, I am using here a banana leaf so that rice and beef won't get mixed up. Use a knife to put holes or else the masala flavor could not rise up. Start layering the rice. After adding half portion of the rice, add coriander leaves and garam masala. That's top layer. Repeating the same, but finally I've added few fried onions on the top. Close the lid and put some weight on it. While opening the lid, my camera went off. Here I have dumped it for 40 to 45 minutes in low flame. Let's give a mix all together. You can see the rice has got a good aroma. Slowly take out the banana leaf and mix the beef well. Biryani is probably the most popular dish in India. Now in this video I too have included a traditional way of making a simple biryani. Hope you all like the video. Do subscribe my channel. Stay safe. Bye bye.